Ducks, do something. Ducks. It's the 4th of January 2023 and it's an amazingly wet season. It's literally raining every day in summer. I don't know what's going on. So technically it's good weather for ducks. So somehow I got ducks. These are called Pekin Ducks and one's brown and I love them. They're scared of just about everything though. So this is their enclosure inside with 2 figs, both of which got hammered by frost in October. So they're not making any figs. The ducks have got a pond, which they love a lot. And I feed them duck food. And they're quite tame. These were 2 passion fruit vines I put up here until I pathetically protected them and the ducks ate them. So they're pretty scared, but they were brave enough to do that. So the enclosure came up to this line with these posts over to this old gate. So what I'm doing is extending it across here, and up here it meets with the avocado enclosure, which I expanded recently, another 1.5 meters to the left and the right and out the back, because the trees were brushing up against it. So it's much bigger now, and finishing there. So I've pulled off this windbreak, which I'm using as the fencing, off these posts, and it's going to go from here to here to here to here with a couple of gates. Not that it takes much to keep ducks in, because they're so nervous they just want to stay here where they are. Look at this one. It's so cute. It's got its head over its back. They must be very comfy. They are so cute. I love them. Here come Hugo to see who I'm talking to and what about. Hello, Hugo. So I'll just use the spade to lever these 2 posts out because I don't need them here anymore. Oh, hang on. I'm talking about frost cloth protection for the passion fruit and these figs. So I wonder if they'll do that job. But probably not in these spots. Maybe they will. I'll leave them in the ground. There you go, decision made. I'll leave these sticks in the ground. This is the Rapid BTX140 electric stapler with a chargeable battery on the back. This is the greatest thing ever. If you've ever wrestled with hand-powered staplers, you need one of these. It's fantastical. You just push it in here. Bingo, staple in. I love it to death. Fantastic. Okay, so that's up. Now I'm going to make a little gate in the small gap here. If if I'm pointing at the right area. That's just for people to squeeze through. And up here, I'm going to make a bigger gate, just using these sticks to staple to one end. And I should be able to ride the mower through there if the ducks don't do the job of cutting the lawn. They are so peaceful. Well, I've been working and using this stapler. They obviously trust me now, which is really nice. I like them. All the leg stretching and stuff. Their little wings. Making little noises. Love you, duckies. Okay, I've got the two gates. Massively complicated things where you just unhook that and it falls open and the bottom comes out. And I should be able to drive my mower directly through this big gap. And I've got this littler one here, which works on the same arrangement. And I'll put the ducks' food over there. It's in a bucket with a lid, so we can go in there and feed them. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I should have thought of it earlier. The avocados have now got a bigger windbreak all around them, and the ducks can go underneath them and root around in there. If they ever leave their old spot, because they're nervous sort of creatures. I'll see how long it takes them to move from there up here into the bushes. So I don't know whether they're male or female, or whether they're going to mate and get we're going to get eggs, or we're going to get chicks, baby ducks called chicks, ducklings maybe, we will see. They mature very quickly, a matter of weeks. So they seem pretty happy. They're funny things, ducks, because I feed them, but it's too early for lunch, so they just ignore it. They seem to know exactly what's breakfast and lunch and dinner times. And when it's the dinner times, they come running at you with wings flapping. Strange animals. I like them. But they were up here before and they were eating grass, which is what I read. They don't eat grass. So they're eating grass. Anyway, I'm very happy with their extinction. They've got a full-on wilderness now. They're wild ducks. Can do what they want. The brown one just sits down a lot on the ground. Must be a male. Clever. Why stand when you can sit? I like him. He's smart as. He's just sitting where he can reach the water in there. No running around like a crazy duck for him. I bet he's the boy.